Welcome to the tutorial for using the basic features of Destiny Quest, Northern Middle's online catalog. To access Destiny Quest, you can go through the Media Center page, click on the link on Mrs. Newman's page, or go directly there by typing tinyurl.com/mbcdestiny into your browser. This catalog allows you to search for print books, both in the middle and high school, electronic or ebooks, websites, and magazine and newspaper articles. From the main page, you can begin browsing by the top 10 books, new arrivals, or by typing something into the find box. You can type in a title, an author, a series name, or even keywords. Notice where it says Hello Guest in the corner. You do not have to log in to use Destiny's basic features. Let's do a basic search with the title Shiver. Only one book comes up with that keyword or title. When you click on the title, you can learn more about it. For example, this entry for Shiver gives you a summary, and there are reviews written by your peers about the book. On the right, you'll see links to books you may also like based on this title. Clicking on Title Peek will give you even more information about a book. When looking at a title details, it's also important to note its call number. Here, you can see the call number for Shiver is FIC-STI. The FIC stands for fiction, so you know where in the library to look for this book. The STI stands for the first 3 letters of the author's last name, so you know on which shelf in fiction to begin to look. Other call numbers you may see when looking up a book are B, which stands for biography, SC, which stands for story collection or short stories, M, which stands for memoir, REF, which stands for reference, or just a number, which indicates nonfiction and tells you which shelf in nonfiction to look on. Sometimes a book will even have other links, like this one for book trailer. Clicking on it will show you a brief commercial about this book. Let's try a keyword search now. Say you want to read a novel about baseball. Go ahead and type into the find bar fiction because you want a novel, and baseball because that is a topic you would like to read about. "60 titles come up. We can narrow our result now if we would like. Here on the left, you see many ways to refine your results. Location allows you to choose books only available in the middle school, which would then limit our results to 39 books. Maybe you have trouble finishing longer books and would like to limit the page amount in your chosen title. You can change that in extends pages. For example, maybe 500 pages is too much for you to read. If you limit the results to no more than 200 pages, for example, you are left with 18 books to choose from. Maybe you want to browse books that are newer. You can change that under publication year. There are many ways to narrow your search. Play around with them. This list, called a breadcrumb trail, shows you all the ways you've refined your search. To eliminate one of your criteria, simply X out the item. Let's look at how to read and understand information Destiny is giving you. When you perform any kind of search, Destiny will always tell you if a title is in, out, or ask. In means the title is available right now. Come to the Media Center, grab it from the shelf, and check it out. Out means someone is currently reading that title. To read the book next, you will need to place the book on hold. Ask means the book is at the high school. Mrs. Newman does not allow all students to borrow books from the high school. 7th graders during the first marking period of school may not request books from the high school. Mrs. Newman needs to see what kind of borrower you are in the middle school first before allowing you to borrow books from the high school. For instance, if you are consistently late returning middle school books, Mrs. Newman will not allow you to do the same with high school books. Since Destiny Quest can also be used to find websites, ebooks, and magazine and newspaper articles, you'll notice different icons when you perform searches. For example, here you see a book icon. This indicates that these items are regular print books that are available directly from the shelves. Other icons stand for other types of materials. For instance, if you search for voting, you'll notice an E icon. This stands for ebooks, books that are available to be read electronically through your computer. You will also see this magazine icon, which indicates that a newspaper or magazine article has been scanned into the computer for you to simply click on and read. Clicking on websites, you'll either see a globe icon or an icon for a particular website. These are websites that are ready to be read on your topic. simply click on one and Destiny will link you right to the website. One last thing, Destiny Quest sometimes likes to switch its interface screen. The high school uses Classic Destiny, which is the screen you're looking at right now. It performs the same functions as Destiny Quest, but it's less colorful and flashy. To get back to the interface for Destiny Quest, simply click on Destiny Quest or begin your Destiny Quest search. This has been the basics of Destiny Quest searching. See the other Destiny tutorials for learning about the advanced features Destiny has to offer.